Can we view locked profile pictures on Facebook? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can view locked profile pictures on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that we can do is just open up our Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And after doing that, what you can do is simply visit the profile that is locked to see their profile picture. Now, after you're there, what you'll then need to do is you'll need to just tap on their profile picture, and then you'll notice that you cannot actually view their profile picture unless you have been their friend. Now you can just tap on add friend to add them as a friend, and after they accept it, you can then view their profile picture. But unless that happens, you cannot actually view the profile picture. Now, a simple method that you can use to view it closer is by just taking a screenshot. After you take a screenshot, you can just zoom in to view the profile picture. You can even save it if you want to. So I'll just tap on this, tap on save to photos, and that's the most we can do. And yeah, I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.